Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist here at UKWF for the latest Farming Forum weather forecast. And starting with a quick look at satellite imagery, which does highlight the primary feature which is dominating the weather across the British Isles and northwestern areas of Europe, and that is high pressure. So as you can see across northwestern areas of Europe and again the British Isles, there is a lot of cloud-free skies, but beneath this area of high pressure there has been some extensive regions of fog which has clearly caused some problems over the last day or two. Weather systems are being held at bay to the west and northwest of the UK, this region of cloud here, and again this is because the area of high pressure is stopping these weather fronts from moving into the United Kingdom. However, just bringing your attention to this region of cloud here, just moving north from parts of Spain and now into southern areas of France. This is in a developing area of low pressure which will move northwards towards the UK during the course of Tuesday, and this will then signal a slow breakdown to more unsettled conditions through the remainder of the week as lower pressure becomes more influential. So let's take a look at some forecast weather charts just to put a little bit of detail on the weather through the next few days, and also just to summarise the weather through the remainder of the week. And here we are obviously mid-afternoon on Monday the 2nd, and high pressure influencing the weather, so little in the way of any significant weather, but there are still regions of mist and fog which in some instances will not clear now through the remainder of Monday afternoon. On into Monday evening and through into the early hours of Tuesday, and generally it is another repeat performance with areas of mist and fog redeveloping tonight through into Tuesday morning, particularly across parts of northern England, Ireland and southern areas of Scotland, so some locally dense regions of fog are expected here on Tuesday morning. As I indicated, in association with that cloud over Spain and into northern France, low pressure developing from the south will bring the risk of some scattered showers, particularly across parts of central and southern areas of England and Wales. And you can see by the time we get to the end of Tuesday, around about 9 PM, scattered showers are then moving northwards into parts of northern England. But otherwise, as you can see, there's still a lot of fine and dry weather to be had on Tuesday, particularly across parts of Scotland and Ireland. The temperatures will remain particularly mild, if not very mild indeed, for the time of year. Now on into Wednesday, and those showers clear away to the north, and following behind is an area of low pressure, this crossing parts of England and Wales. So focus for most of the heaviest precipitation on Wednesday midweek is expected across parts of central and eastern areas of England, this region here. Now some heavy and perhaps even locally thundery downpours may develop across parts of central and eastern England on Wednesday afternoon, but otherwise, once again, as you can see, there's still a lot of fine and dry weather the further north and west you are, particularly across Scotland and Ireland. So the dry weather overall continues across this region of the British Isles. However, by the time we get on into Thursday, and a more developmental pattern begins to arrive from the west and southwest, and a more active weather system moves across the British Isles. So by the time we get to around about 6 PM, the end of Thursday afternoon, Thursday the 5th, outbreaks of rain and showers are expected to move north and east across many areas, along with a more significant wind from the south or southwest. Winds generally in the next couple of days light and relatively insignificant, but as I say, by the time we get to Wednesday and into Thursday, winds becoming south or southwesterly, moderate or fresh. Those outbreaks of rain clear away, and then we potentially look for the development of a very deep area of low pressure passing just to the west of Scotland and Ireland to end the week. This is this feature here. Now there is a question mark over the development of this low pressure. If it does develop as is signalled at the moment by the latest weather models, then parts of Scotland and Ireland could have a very wet and windy end to the week as currently indicated. But clearly note, England and Wales end the week with some scattered showers, but also with some fine and dry weather as well. Temperatures through this week generally remaining above average, so overall a mild if not very mild week, with maximum temperatures across the UK generally ranging between around about 10 and 15 degrees overall, and there is little or no risk of frost at night, with mild if not very mild nights continuing as well, but again particularly so for the time of year. So that's all the latest details on the weather throughout the next few days. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.